Today we're making an asparagus tart. And why asparagus? I grew up on a farm and the first sign of spring was always asparagus showing itself coming up through the ground. So we got some simple ingredients. Let's take a look over here. All right, of course we're going to need some asparagus. We have some Swiss cheese, an egg, some prosciutto, and we have the zest of a lemon. Next to that, just some cottage cheese. Now you could use ricotta or you could even use sour cream. I just had cottage cheese in the house and I'll eat that later too. And then I par-baked the crust. You know, you just bake that for about 16 to 18 minutes and then it's ready. So it'll be done when the tart is done. Okay, in our bowl now we've combined cottage cheese, the lemon zest, salt and pepper, and an egg. Take a whisk and let's just mix all this together. All right, we're gonna assemble now our tart. We're just gonna take our cottage cheese, egg, and seasoning. We're gonna put down a nice layer. Should get it all in there. Perfect. Spread it out nice and even. Arrange your remaining ingredients over your tart. We'll bake it at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's set. That's the asparagus and prosciutto tart. I hope you give this recipe a try at home.